Expertly engineered in Germany, the SEBO Mechanical 300 combines a powerful 1200-watt motor with precision design to deliver exceptional cleaning performance across all carpet types. Advanced power head. The motorized brush head glides effortlessly over carpets, penetrating deep into fibers to lift dirt, debris, and pet hair with remarkable efficiency. Full bag indicator. Never lose suction with the convenient full bag indicator, alerting you when it's time for a change, ensuring consistent performance. Automatic brush roll shutoff. The brush roll automatically halts if blockages are detected, protecting the motor and prolonging the vacuum's life. Adjustable height settings. 4-stage height adjustment allows smooth transitions between varying carpet heights, adapting perfectly to any surface. Large 5.3-liter dust bag. The generously sized dust bag minimizes the need for frequent changes, offering uninterrupted cleaning. Easy maintenance. Designed for effortless upkeep, it features tool-free brush roll removal and intuitive bag replacement, simplifying care and extending the vacuum's lifespan. With its superior engineering and thoughtful design, the SEBO Mechanical 300 ensures powerful, efficient cleaning while offering the ease of low-maintenance care.